Yes, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Francis Vlog. It's me again, Francis De La Cruz, your seaman vlogger. For today's video guys, I want to teach you the basic calculations of how to determine the number of shackles that needed to drop into the water while or during anchoring. So let's start by this. So here's the formula. Number of shackles equals to depth of the water times 2 plus 90 over 27.5. So okay, so these two guys, it can be changed, and this is what we call the anchor scope. Okay, and then this 90 is standard, it's already fixed. Okay, so 2 the anchor scope. So how to get the anchor scope? It depends on the company policy. We have different company policy regarding to the anchor scope to be used. Okay, so let's see how to compute the anchor scope. Okay, so anchor scope is equals to length of the anchor chain divided by the height of the deck cleat to the seabed. As you can see to that picture, we have 42 meters length of anchor chain and 6 meters height of the deck cleat to the seabed. We're going to divide the two. So 42 divided by 6, we have 7. So as you can see, the scope is 7:1. The 7 is the multiplier for every 1 meter of the depth of the water that we are going to use in calculating the number of shackles. Okay, so let's go back to the computation. If you have encountering bad weather during the anchoring, you can add more anchor scope. So 2 to 3, 5 or 5 or 7. 5 to 7 is good, but if in normal days or normal anchoring situation or scenario, you can use this 2 or 3. Okay, so in a normal condition, so divided 27.5, so like that. Okay, so you now understand the anchor scope. So let's proceed. So let's say that our depth of water is 20 meters, so times 2 plus 90 over 27.5. Okay, so 20 times 2, so 40 plus 90, like that, so over 27.5. Okay, and then we have the result 130 over 27.5, so divided by, so we have the result of 4.7 or 5 shackles. By the way guys, this 27.5, this, okay, 27.5 is the equivalent length of the 1 shackle. Okay, so 1 shackle is equivalent to 27.5 meters. Okay, don't forget. So thank you for watching guys, and see you for my next video. If you have clarification, question or any suggestion to my next vlog, do not hesitate to comment in the comment section, and it is so much appreciated. Okay, thank you and bye bye.